Okay, everyone, mayong adlaw ninyo diha. So this lesson 7 and 8 activities, activity number 5 and activity number 6. This is for all ha, modular, hybrid, and pure online. Since naani sa ang mga pure online ra ang naka-attend o discussion for the modular students, or should I say category, you can review the video kung nang na-post sa YouTube. Tanawa lang ninyo sa atong YouTube channel. So let's start this activity number 5 and number 6. This is for general mathematics nga subject. Again, this is for all. Okay? Tanan ang mo answer nga ni modular, pure online, and hybrid. Then kaybaw na mo asa i-send. Kaybaw na mo. Okay, lesson 7 and 8. Activity number 5. So, let me read. The electric current I in amperes passing through a resistor is related to the voltage V across a resistor in volts and the resistance R in ohms by the formula I is equal to V over R. If the resistor, here's the condition, if the resistor is connected across the terminals of a car battery 12 volts, construct a table of values of the current across the resistor for different resistor values from 2000 ohms to 5000 ohms. Use intervals of 1000 ohms. Okay, gitagana mo intervals para dili kayo daghan ninyong mabuhat. Now, plot these values as points in Cartesian plane and connect the points. Then here's the additional question. Is this a smooth curve or a straight line? Okay, atong ipaubos. Is this a smooth curve or a straight line? Okay, so number 2. Number 2, tanaw na itong makita ko niyo. Okay, makita na. Now, construct a table of values for the functions f of x equal x minus 3 all over x plus 4 for x is greater than or equal to negative 6 and x is less than or equal to positive 2, such that or in which x taking on integer values. Now, identify values of x where the function will be undefined. Now, after that, plot the points corresponding to the values in the table. Connect these points with a smooth curve. Explain why the points cannot be joined by a single curve of this function. Atong ipon ni. Okay. Here. Identify mo ni, sumpay ha. Explain why the points cannot be joined by a single curve. The next, identify the zeros of this function. So please answer what are asked or what is asked. Kung daghan, di ba? Kung daghan, what are asked, di ba? So you answer the questions. Number 3. For the function f of x equal x squared plus x minus x all over x squared plus x minus 20. Here are the 4 questions. First, identify values where the function will be undefined. Second question, construct a table of values for x is greater than or equal to negative 6 and x is less than or equal to positive 2, where x takes on integer values. Letter C, identify the zeros of the function. And letter D, plot the sketch, the graph of the function. Okay? So, muna ang pangutana sa number 3. Now, that is activity number 5, no? Atong nahuman. So, kana activity number 5 para naamoy reference, ang lesson ana is lesson 7. Okay? So, activity number 5, lesson 7. Then, lesson 8, mo ni siya activity number 6. number 1. So for number 1 daghan tag pangutana, so just bear with me. So activity number 6, number 1, for each function sa ang pasabot for each identify atong sumpayan for each function below. Pagkasabot naman mo basta function na sa usa for each given below. Identify the x and y intercepts, the asymptotes, and the intervals where the functions is above or below the x-axis. Now, after that, sketch the graph, identify the domain, and if possible, the range as well. Okay? So, na may uban na nga walay range. Or should I say, the range is makaibaw na mo. The range is just R because blah 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 blah. Tanawa ninyo ang lesson 8 sa last na part para makasabot mo sa si range. Okay, letter A. F of x equal to 2 all over x plus 1. Letter B, f of x equal to 2 all over x squared plus 2x plus 1. Letter C, f of x equal to 3x all over x plus 3. Letter D, f of x equal to 2x plus 3 all over 4x minus 7. Letter E, f of x equal to 4x squared minus 7x plus 3 all over 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Letter F, f of x equal to 5x squared minus 12x plus 4 all over 3x squared plus 2x minus 8. Letter G, f of x equal to x squared minus x plus 6 all over x squared minus 6x plus 8. H, f of x equal x squared minus 4x minus 5 all over x minus 4. I, letter I, f of x equal to x minus 1 all over x cubed minus 4x. Letter J, f of x equal x squared minus 9 all over x squared plus 4. Okay, so let's proceed to number 2. Here is your question for number 2. Past records from a factory producing components show that on average new employees can assemble n of t components per day after t days of training, where mao ni ang equation or should I say function ng gihatag n of t is equal to 75t all over t plus 5, such that, or should I say in which, nauna lang nato pagbasa, in which t is greater than or equal to 0. Now sketch the graph of n on the first quadrant and include the intercepts and asymptotes. Now here is the additional question after the graphing. What happens to n of t as t approaches to infinity? Okay, now what does this mean in practical terms? So you can use your own words, guys, to explain what does it mean in practical terms or in practical. Okay, number 3. Okay, so after the drug is injected into a patient's bloodstream, the concentration C of the drug in the bloodstream t minutes after the injection is given by C of t is equal to 20t all over t squared plus 2, such that or in which t is greater than or equal to 0. Now here is the additional question, or should I say task. Sketch the graph of C of t and include the intercepts and asymptotes. So that's an additional task after you should I say you create a table of values. And after that, here's the additional question. What happens to C of t as t approaches to infinity? What does this mean in practical terms? So there is a same question with number 2. Okay, number 4. Okay, so we try to change a bit. Okay, number 4, this is a challenging riddle. Okay, I am a rational functions having a vertical asymptote at the line x equal to 3 and x equal to negative 3, and a horizontal asymptote at y equal to 1. If my only x-intercept is 5 and my y-intercept is negative 5 over 9, what function am I? Okay, so your answer should be in a function form. Okay, so muna si given, guys. It's a sort of riddle. It's a very challenging riddle. So what the question is, what function am I? All right, so same procedure, just send it to MS Teams or in my Facebook account. Katong akong gisulti ninyo ato sa page. And for plus 20, so ito ay plus 20 ano nila, ano na to, um, for plus 20, apelido, type niyo last name, then yung first name, then instead middle initial, ang inyong ibutang kay kuan, color sa na UV na lang, UV main, ang taga UV main, pag UV Pardo, okay, yan na ibutang ha. So mo na ibutang for plus 20, ayaw mo saba kaya uwa mo tanaw GG. So ayaw mo katingang anong taas ni kay kining activity number 5, so post last week ni wa man tay mga klase, then kining activity 6 this week, so nagkuha na siya, nag-ipo na. So para fair pod sa inyo ha, Tuesday maron December 8. So instead nga Friday ang ato ang deadline ani, himo na tong Sunday. Okay? Again, Friday unta ato ang deadline ani pero himo na tong Sunday. Sunday 11:59 ang deadline. So beyond that, nanay minus, or should I say nanay deduction. Dili man pud kayo dako. Basta deadline is Sunday 11:59 in the midnight or PM, 11:59 PM kay 12 midnight pa na. So 11:59 ha. Bye everyone. Hope you can answer your activities. Bye for now.